It's that time of year again, and it's Christmas in July. So let's get a really quick job done. Because, you know, it's a busy time of year. In Australia, where I am originally from, Christmas in July is incredibly popular. Why? Because normally Christmas is in the hottest part of summer. So Christmas in July gives us an opportunity to have Christmas like in the old country with snow and stuff, you know. But over here I've had to adapt, and so this is where I do my little jobs to get ready for Christmas in winter. And one of those jobs that I do, and this is one that I only have to do like every 3 or 4 years because it takes that long to get through them all, is make essences. Now, I don't know if you guys saw how quick that was, but that was almonds. These are literally 2 ingredient essences, okay? First one was almond. This one is walnut. It's this and vodka. And that's literally it. This is one of those jobs that you can just get done when you've got a few spare minutes of your day. And there is no excuses for not doing this. Obviously, you know, you got to buy the vodka and stuff, but if you've got it and you can get it, so do it. Now I'm making hazelnut. But Blue, a whole bottle of vodka is really, really expensive. Yes, but the little bottles of essences are even more expensive. They're almost £3 each at this point, and that's only for like 10 mils. I'm making 600 mils or a pint at a time. You know, it's a bit of a difference, and it's costing me the same as 3 or 4 bottles of the little essences. Now, the really great part about making your own is that you can actually make ones that are really difficult to buy. Really difficult to buy. The next one that I'm making is vanilla, and I've got a little bit bigger jar for this one. Just a little bit. Just a bit bigger, because I might be going through a little bit more of this than I would otherwise. Now, if you wanted to, you could make these into bottles. Like, you could do 250ml bottles to give away as presents at Christmas, and that would be completely acceptable. I'm not giving them away for Christmas. I could if I wanted to. I'm choosing not to. I'm just, this batch I want for our cupboards and our stores. So yeah, that's literally what I want to this time. Now, while I was making this, I was trying to make a decision whether I was going to use both packets of the vanilla or not. And then I decided, you know, in for a penny, innit? So if you're looking at it medicine-wise, this would be looked as a tincture, okay? There are those out there that put sugar and syrups and use other different alcohols and all kinds of things to do these extracts. But if you'd like them to be able to double up, say for example you did basil or some other herb or a spice, you can use allspice, you can do a cinnamon one, you could do an star anise one, you could do any that you wanted to. This would be how you do it. That's it.
God damn it.
So all then you have to do is, once you've made them, is to put a label on them and stick them in the cupboard, and once a week go in and give them a shake. That's it. Just go and give them a shake, and then after a couple of months you can actually strain them off if that's what you want to do. If you don't want to do that, that's acceptable as well. And you possibly could, with some of the ingredients, top them up from time to time if that's what you wanted to do as well. So making extracts like this is a really good way to get rid of some of the stuff that's in the freezer. And I'm on a bit of a mission to do that at the moment, is to clear out our freezers for stuff ready for the coming season, right? So I'm using some lime peels that I haven't candied, and they're gonna go in here, and I'm gonna make a lime extract because it's different. It's different, and I can. So I'm doing it. but they're just as good if you use frozen as if you use stuff off the pantry or fresh. Now, I love having a variety of essences in the house. I really, really do, because it gives me an opportunity to be a little bit more adventurous when it comes to cooking. You know, there's only so many they sell in the shops. But if I want something that's going to be a little bit different for Christmas or for someone's birthday or for something that I'm making, then making my own extracts means that I have the opportunity to be that different. For example, today I need to make myself a big bowl of fruit salad so that I have it for the week coming. And part of that is that I have tangerine peel. Now, sometimes I would dry that, but I have plenty of dried tangerine peel or mandarin peel in the cupboard right now. But you can't buy tangerine essence. It's really difficult to get hold of and incredibly expensive if you do. I'm basically using a waste product here. You know? Otherwise they get chucked out. But blue is really expensive to start up. Well, you got to look at it this way, right? Now, last year I spent nearly 20 quid on different essences. Peppermint essence and almond essence and orange essence and rosewater essence, and all of those things cost me around 20 quid, right? And each bottle has about 2 tablespoons in each one. It's useless and pointless, and it's a pain in the bum to use, right? These, I have more than 6 years worth here. And it's cost me 60 quid altogether, right? That is less than £10 a year to make these essences. So when you've got a little bit of extra that you can go, or vodka's on offer or whatever, then why not? Why not? It's a really good way to clear out your pantry as well. Use the nuts and stuff, or the spices, or whatever flavorings you want to use to clear out, to get some new ones in. It's a good way of turning your pantry over and getting rid of the last little dregs and stuff and chucking them in and making some essence out of it. You've got another thing for your pantry. You haven't wasted any ingredients, and you know, it's all good. The only way you could genuinely make this any cheaper is if you made the vodka yourself. Let's be honest. I just want to take a quick moment to thank Jenny over at Jenny's Scratch Made Kitchen for inviting me to this collaboration and making me a part of it. There are some amazing channels as part of this collaboration, guys, so please go and check them out. All the links are below, and who's coming up, etc. Go and check them all out. Okay? And I will see you again really, really soon. Bye!